So with the 2-inch ball tongue, 1,250 pounds, 12,500 pound capacity. And then for the 2 5/16, we got the ball tongue of 2,150 and then 21,500. And this one is the 8-inch drop and rise model. This does come with a pin lock. Just this is really heavy. This is pretty heavy duty. And then we have our pin locks for this guy. We also do have our vibration absorber things. And then here is our main unit. You'll see that this one is much larger though. We got 8 inches that you can go up or down with it. All right, so I got to get my old one off first. I also don't remember which key. You're probably on this skeleton key. And depending on your vehicle, you can either go for down or an 8-inch rise. And then this one, just decide which size ball you need. I use the 2 5/16, and that's going to be the one that's rated for the 21,500. And then you're just going to choose whatever height works for you and for your trailer. Now, I didn't put them on, but you do have your silencer pads that you can put on here as well to kind of help dampen the vibration of like this. And like I mentioned, the 2-inch ball, 12,500 pounds, 1,250 tongue weight. And then for this 2 5/16, we're at 21,500 toe and 2,150 tongue weight. It is overkill for what I have, even my big trailer behind me. It's probably only going to be about 11 or 12,000 pounds, but this will handle a lot more. I doubt it's going to stay blue for very long, but it is a really nice hitch. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.